Node.js plays a crucial role in the Angular development ecosystem, providing necessary tools, build processes, and a development server for creating modern dynamic web applications with Angular. To effectively use Angular and its related tools, it's essential to have Node.js installed on your development machine. For me, it's currently showing I need to update Node.js. If you don't have Node.js installed, process remains same. Please follow along. Go to nodejs.org and download the setup file or the current version. Click on the setup and start installing Node.js. Accept terms and conditions and hit Next. Hit Next again, click on Install. Node.js getting installed. Node.js installed now. Do subscribe, click the bell icon to stay updated and get notification for upcoming video tutorials. Happy learning. Hope you liked it. Have a great day.